Good morning. Today we will talk about competitive advantages. What is the meaning of competitive advantage? When a company is able to differentiate itself from others and is able to create better products and services, then it is in a stage what we call as competitive advantage. So in the long run, every company has to create comparative advantage or competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is of two types. One is called comparative advantage and one is called differential advantage. Comparative advantage means if your company is superior, better than others, then it is called comparative advantage. And differential advantage is when your company is substantially different from others, then this is called differential advantage. So if one company is selling one product, you are selling another product, there is a huge difference. This is differential advantage. But if you are also producing the same which others are producing, but your cost is less, your brand is superior, your packaging is superior, your technology is better, then this is called comparative advantage. Whether you adopt comparative advantage or differential advantage, the net result is you are able to achieve competitive advantage, which can make your organization sustainable because there is competition from all around. And in this competitive environment, every company has to create some competitive advantage, otherwise it will close down. The mantra of the market is very simple: either be the best or you will be wiped out. Be number one or at the most number two. If you are number one or number two in particular market segment where you are working, then you will survive. And if you are not number one or number two, in the long run you will be wiped out. So the question is, how do we create competitive advantage? There may be a question from your mind that you are a small entrepreneur, you are running a small company, you have small means, limited financial resources. How can you create competitive advantage? You are going to compete with very large companies which are much bigger. In comparison to them, how are you going to create competitive advantage? It's not difficult. You can do it. You can create it. Think through. A large number of Indian entrepreneurs are today facing this problem. They have not focused on creating competitive advantage. If they will focus on creating competitive advantage, yes, they will be able to create, they will be able to sustain, they will be able to grow. How do you create competitive advantage? There are many things. I will list down a few. You can also list down a few. One company may have superior IPR, intellectual property rights. If you have patent, you can create competitive advantage. So IPR is one. Some companies can have specific geographic location which can create competitive advantage for them. This is also protected by GI, geographical indicators. Geographical indicators can help you in creating sustainable competitive advantage. Take for example Bikaji. Bikaji makes bhujia. Bhujia is based on geographical indication. It is said to be of very high quality from Bikaner city. So Bikaji enjoys geographical indication, the benefit that it is being produced in Bikaner. It has sustainable competitive advantage. Another reason, some companies have access to scarce raw material. They can also have competitive advantage. Using those competitive advantage, they can create sustainable market leadership. For example, Hindustan Zinc Limited, it has access to huge reservoirs of zinc. Obviously, market leadership is there. Some companies have highly skilled and trained manpower, which enable them to create sustainable competitive advantage. Take for example Tribes India. Tribes India manufactures or get the goods manufactured through tribals. Those people who are highly skilled in particular crafts. These crafts, these skills cannot be replicated. Tribes India enjoys sustainable competitive advantage. You may have sustainable competitive advantage through your business model. Some companies have created innovative business models. Ola, Uber, they have created their sustainable competitive advantage through their business model. So you can create your own competitive advantage through your innovative business model. Some companies create sustainable competitive advantage through their better distribution network. If you happen to create a unique and superior distribution network, you will have long-term advantage. Now my questions to you are, if you find a small entrepreneur struggling in the market, and if I ask you, give him some advice, how to become competitive, how to attain competitive advantage, what advice would you give? Do you think small entrepreneurs cannot create sustainable advantage? Yes, they can also create. They can also differentiate. They can also create a superior market position for themselves and survive. Today, the business environment is changing. The world is changing. There are major threats to the world, which you can create as an opportunity for you. Today, the major threat before the entire world is climate change, environment. These are really big threats, but these are competitive points. On working on these points, you can create sustainable competitive advantage. The entire world today needs technologies which are environment friendly. If your company happens to introduce environment friendly technologies, you can create sustainable competitive advantage. You can become the market leader of tomorrow. If your company introduces green technology, you can attain market leadership. You can be the market leaders of the years to come. So look into the market, look into the environment, look into the changing trends, look into the changing customer preferences, and accordingly introduce competitive advantage. Today customer is demanding environment friendly products. Today customer is demanding a product which is good for the environment, which can be recycled, which can be reused. Demand of the customer. Today customer is more conscious. Today the customer wants to be a responsible citizen, and these are the points on which you have to work. You have to develop superior technologies, you have to develop superior ways to work. Now some of you might be thinking, how to revive the small industries of India, the cottage industries of India, which are very small, which some people believe are not competitive. No, they are competitive. They can be competitive. For example, Sanganeri print. Sanganeri print from Jaipur are based on handmade color, 100% organic colors. They are produced using block printing. The colors are environment friendly. The technology is such which cannot be replicated by others. Do you think Sanganeri print can become competitive? Yes, they can become competitive across the globe. They can create differential advantage, no doubt about it. Let's talk about Byawar Tilpapadi. It is outstanding in quality. It cannot be replicated in other cities. It is very fine quality, good for health, made from such products which are really superior and really good for health. Somebody can launch this product in better packaging, environment friendly packaging, reusable packaging with display of key strategic advantages, highlighting important points, history, background, historical evolution, environment friendly contributions. Obviously, this product Byawar Tilpapadi can become strategically competitive. Differential advantage is possible. The whole world can buy this product and geographical indication can be obtained for Byawar Tilpapadi. I believe for every traditional Indian product, you can identify points for creating differential advantage. Every small industry can create strategic comparative advantage or differential advantage. Then why do you worry? Start focusing on building sustainable competitive advantage so that across the globe you are the market leader. You are number one. No other company should dare to compete with you because you are differentiate. You are strategically different from all others. And you cannot be copied. You cannot be replicated. Sardar Shahar Fini. Sardar Shahar Fini is strategically different, superior product, outstanding, good for health, very tasty. What you require? You require to make better packaging, reusable packaging, display of key differential points. Customer should know this is really an outstanding product, environment friendly product. This is really a good product and this product cannot be developed elsewhere. Therefore, you can obtain geographical indication. You can ensure you have IPR. You can ensure that this product cannot be copied. You have highly skilled people in Sardar Shahar. If you are manufacturing Sardar Shahar Fini, you can obtain differential advantage. You can sell your product across the globe. So there is nothing to worry. The thing that you require is application, analysis, understanding of changing business environment, understanding the changing expectations of customer, understanding the changing demand of markets. And if you apply your judgment well, I am sure you can create sustainable competitive advantage. Remember, today the most important thing for every organization is to contribute towards sustainable development. It is the duty of every organization to contribute towards environment friendly technologies, contribute to creating a better world, contribute to creating a world where we all can live happily. There are challenges, and to overcome those challenges, every company, every organization should become more responsible, should contribute to environment protection, protection of scarce resources, conservation of water, conservation of natural resources, protection of biodiversity. These are essentials. Keeping them in mind, introduce technologies which are environment friendly, introduce technologies which contribute to better life, greater happiness, and obviously you will be able to achieve strategic competitive advantage. Let us summarize the entire discussion. The meaning of competitive advantage is to create a sustainable enterprise by adopting some technologies or something which can differentiate your company from others. You are able to reduce your cost substantially, you are able to have greater efficiency, you are able to have better technology, you are able to have better processes. Somehow you are able to create a sustainable competitive advantage, so that for many years to come your company becomes the number one company in the perception of the customers. When they go to the market, they demand your product because they will start believing that you are number one in this segment. So how to create sustainable competitive advantage? We have discussed two methods: comparative advantage or differential advantage. How do we do it? We have discussed the methods. We have also discussed the importance of sustainable development in today's context. Thank you.